Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and setting essential preferences so the app works for you right away. Create an account with email, Google, or Apple. Once done, grant notifications and microphone access to join live events and use timers. Next, set your profile name, display photo, and basic meditation preferences so recommendations match your needs. Make sure to select time zone and sleep/wake windows. These first actions unlock personalized home feed content and keep reminders reliable. So start here before exploring sessions. Now you search and curate sessions to build a routine. Use filters for length, teacher, tag, and skill level so you see relevant results fast. Tap a session to preview, then customize playback speed, set a timer or interval bells, and choose background audio. Once satisfied, save to My Library, add sessions to a playlist for sequences, or download offline for travel. Make sure to use Teacher Follow and notifications to get updates on new content you care about. Finish by engaging with live events and tracking progress so your practice deepens. Open the Events tab to join live talks or multi-day courses. Add reminders and sync to your calendar. After sessions, log notes and check history to see streaks and completed sessions. If you hit an issue, playback stops, or downloads fail, restart the app, confirm offline files exist, and update the app. If problems persist, toggle permissions and Wi-Fi, then re-download the session. That typically resolves errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.